Ever found yourself juggling a million browser tabs just to keep tabs on your projects? You've got your email open in one, your to-do list in another, maybe a chat window floating around somewhere, and then, buried in the digital chaos, is your project management tool. Sound familiar? Well, if that project management tool happens to be Basecamp, you're probably wondering if there's a way to escape this tab juggling nightmare. You're likely thinking, isn't there a dedicated app for this? A clean, focused space where all your projects, tasks, and team communication live, without the distractions of your browser. That's the big question we're diving into today. Is there a Basecamp desktop app? Now, before we get to the answer, let's quickly recap what Basecamp actually is for those who might be new to the project management scene. Think of Basecamp as your central online hub for everything project-related. It's designed to keep teams organized and communication streamlined. Inside Basecamp, you can create projects, assign tasks, set deadlines, share files, have discussions, and even manage client communication. It's a powerful tool that many teams rely on to keep their projects on track. For years, Basecamp operated primarily as a web-based application. You'd access it through your browser, just like any other website. This meant having yet another tab open, which, as we discussed, can contribute to digital clutter and make it harder to focus. So, the burning question remains, has Basecamp evolved beyond the browser? Have the developers listened to the pleas for a dedicated desktop experience? Let's get straight to the point. As of my last update in late 2023, yes, Basecamp does offer dedicated desktop applications. That's right. You can now download and install a Basecamp application directly onto your Windows or macOS computer. This means you can say goodbye to constantly searching for that one Basecamp tab amidst a sea of other browser windows. This development was a significant step forward for Basecamp users who prefer a more integrated and focused workflow. Having a dedicated app brings several advantages to the table. Firstly, enhanced focus. When Basecamp lives in its own application, it eliminates the distractions of other browser tabs. You're less likely to get sidetracked by social media, news websites, or other online temptations. This dedicated environment can significantly improve your concentration and productivity. Secondly, improved accessibility. A desktop app is typically easier to access quickly. Instead of having to open your browser, type in the website address, and then navigate to your projects, you can simply launch the Basecamp app with a single click from your desktop or taskbar. This can save you valuable time and make it quicker to jump in and out of your project management tasks. Thirdly, better integration with your operating system. Desktop apps can often offer better integration with your computer's operating system. This might include features like desktop notifications that alert you to important updates or new messages, even when the app isn't actively in front of you. These notifications can help you stay on top of things without constantly having to check the web interface. Fourthly, potential performance improvements. While web applications have become increasingly sophisticated, dedicated desktop apps can sometimes offer better performance. They can be optimized specifically for your operating system, potentially leading to faster load times and a smoother overall experience. Now, let's talk about how you can actually get your hands on these desktop apps. The process is generally quite straightforward. You'll typically find the download links directly on the official Basecamp website. Just head over to their site, look for a download section or a page detailing their apps, and you should find the versions for both Windows and macOS. The installation process is usually just like installing any other desktop application on your computer. You'll download the installer file, run it, and follow the on-screen instructions. Once installed, you'll be able to log in with your existing Basecamp credentials and access all your projects and data just as you would in the web browser. It's worth noting that while these are dedicated desktop apps, they still rely on an internet connection to function fully, as your data is stored in the cloud. However, the focused environment they provide can make a significant difference in your daily workflow. Beyond the core functionality, the desktop apps generally mirror the features you're already familiar with in the web version of Basecamp. You'll still have access to your to-do lists, message boards, file sharing, scheduling, automatic check-ins, and the campfire chat feature. The transition to the desktop app should feel seamless for existing Basecamp users. It's always a good idea to check the official Basecamp website or their help documentation for the most up-to-date information regarding their desktop apps. Software evolves, and new features or changes might be introduced over time. Checking their official resources will ensure you have the latest details on availability, features, and any specific system requirements. So, to definitively answer the initial question, yes, there is a Basecamp desktop app available for both Windows and Mac OS. If you're a regular Basecamp user, downloading and using the dedicated app can be a fantastic way to streamline your workflow, reduce distractions, and improve your overall project management experience. It's a simple step that can make a big difference in your daily productivity. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.